Hi, my name is Hannah Mango, and I decided to bake brownies for my extra credit project. So the first concept that I'm going to be talking about is units of measurement. So it says right here that we need 1/3 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg. So I have my 1 egg here. This is 1/2 tablespoon, so I'm going to have to do 6 of these, and then 1/3 cup of oil. So first I'm going to be adding all the mix that it came in the box. Make sure that's all mixed together. Then I already have my 1/3 cup of oil here, so I'm supposed to mix that in. So the second concept that I'm going to be talking about is mixtures and classifying them. So right now, obviously, this is a mixture. And as you can see, I haven't blended any of it together with my spoon yet. But right now, it's kind of heterogeneous mixture. But once I mix it, it's going to be a homogeneous mixture together. And as you can see, it's already starting to become a homogeneous mixture. But we have to make sure everything is put together. So this is the final product of the mixture. It's homogeneous. You can see the tiny chocolate chunks since this is a chocolate chunky brownie mix. But other than that, everything is mixed together. Nothing is separate. The egg, you cannot see that. Definitely, you can't see the mixture anymore. You can't see the oil or the water. It's all blended together and looks like one thing. So that's why it is homogeneous, not heterogeneous. So now I got my pan and I need to pour it in evenly throughout so that when we do heat it and cook it, we make sure that it is fully cooked evenly throughout the entire mixture so that everything could go smoothly. Yeah. So as you can see, it still looks the same. It's evenly distributed throughout the pan. And it is still a homogeneous mixture. So just to show the difference between a homogeneous and a heterogeneous mixture, this is a heterogeneous mixture. I mixed the oil and the water, and as you can see, they are not mixing. You can definitely tell they're two different things. They're two different substances, while as the mixture here, besides the chocolate chunks, which still don't, they're just different masses inside, by this, you cannot tell that that used to be an egg, oil, water, and the baking things that they already came with. So yeah. So now as the oven is preheating to 350 degrees, as it's saying on the instructions, I just wanted to show the different units of measurements you can use for all of these different things. Many different cups and sizes of cups you could use to bake. You can use so many of these different ones. This is 1/4 cup. The next one should be 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1 cup. You can definitely use all of these for different measurements. You would just have to use different ratios to make sure that you did the oil right. And for these are teaspoons, but I'm sure there is a conversion factor to turn them into tablespoons to see how many of these you need to put in. The numbers might not be pretty, but if you don't have tablespoons, you can 100% use these as well. So according to instructions, it says to bake for about 30 minutes, 30 to 34 minutes. So I'm gonna do 30 and then get back. So another concept I want to talk about is gas formation, which while this is heating, the heat of the 350 degrees Fahrenheit is causing the mixture to have a formation of gas bubbles, which actually allows the mixture to rise to achieve that fluffy feel, so it doesn't come out of the oven like soggy or wet. It actually is super fluffy and able to be eaten, and also that's a sign of a chemical reaction that's going on too. So another sign that this is a chemical reaction is the fact that when sugar is baked in temperatures above 320 degrees Fahrenheit, it actually contributes to the, in this case with the brownies, the crust around the brownies can be super thick and crusty. And so that's what causes it to have that crust on the outside, and that's what happens. That's a sign of a chemical reaction as well with the sugar and the heat.